Okay, welcome back to the channel, guys. To those that are yet to subscribe, you know you've not clicked on that subscribe button or you've not subscribed, make sure you become one of my subscribers by clicking on that subscribe button. So let's see what EURJPY will be showing us for this week. Right now, it is a bit complicated on this EURJPY, but we are going to just follow the pattern or how it is being traded. First, we can see that there was kind of like a rejection when EURJPY got to the same level. We had a rejection at this level. Same thing, price actually came to the same level. We had a rejection, and we can see there is also a rejection here. So when you actually scroll down, you also find a rejection at this bottom and also a rejection at this bottom. So we are very much likely to drop to this low, which is around a level of 138. So let's see if EURJPY will drop to this level of 138.200 before it actually goes bullish again. So this is exactly what we want to watch out for. This is actually not an high probability trade, right? We need to be very careful when trading this type of trade. We are not 100% sure this price will actually drop. So this is one of the reasons why I've actually created a Patreon channel, which means I'll be putting out high probability trade that when we take it, the chances of us winning that trade is very, very high. 70 to 90% chance of winning that trade is exactly what I'll be giving out. Become my Patreon subscriber, especially if you know you are a losing trader, you are actually taking trade and you are losing. When you become my Patreon subscriber in a month with just 20 US, I can assure you, you are going to get a better trade, by the way. I'm going to put a link in the comment section so you can actually take it, you can lead it to my channel. And I'm also going to put a link to the trade we've traded so far, which means I'm going to create a playlist. So like I said, when you become my Patreon subscriber, you'll be able to get some updates. And I've already put out 3 trades that we'll be looking out for. One of those trades is NASDAQ 100. Another one is WTI and others. So I've already put out trade that when we take it, we are going to very much likely win. And more trade is definitely coming. So become my Patreon subscriber. You'll be able to get that update, and definitely your trade or your account should definitely change.